So, this one. Garlic, beautiful. Look at the size of those. These are almost my size. I mean, hello everyone, Erwin here. Happy New Year. I just thought I made a quick video updating you about the Nordic gardening. So follow me here and I'll show you. I think it's been about a month, 2 months since the last update. So let me show you here how the garden's going. Okay, so we still got the 4 beds. That's all I had for the whole season. This one was where we had the lettuce on the last video. We've already ate all the lettuce, and we replaced them with a few pumpkins. Those are the ones I show you growing directly underneath the compost. We have some tomatoes here, another pumpkin. This one's where we had the cauliflowers. I removed all the cauliflowers. There's some leftovers over there, and we planted more tomatoes here. You can see them over here. Yes, there they are. Now look at them. Beautiful tomatoes. There we go. And on that one we had the broad beans. Look at the size of those. These are almost my size. I mean, look at that. There we go. Broad beans. Look at them. Beautiful broad beans. There we go. Look at that. So many of these ones. Growing beautifully. Look at that. Look at the size of those. All healthy. Very tasty. Look at that. That's full of them. And this is just one bed. And over here is where we had the garlic. We've already collected most of them. I've planted some more pumpkins here, but we still have got a few garlics growing. Whoa, these are the onions. We're waiting to get some seeds for the next season, but these are the garlics. These are the garlics. Let me show you the size of these fellas. This one's out. This one out. Look at that. This garlic. Beautiful. Look at that. We had so many of these ones. And all of this in just 4 beds. And all we've done here is just harvest the crops and straight away, yes, plant on the same bed, you know, the next crop. That's it. Nothing, you know, no chemicals, no nothing. That's the beauty of Nordic gardening. Yep, that's how the garden's going. it's overall, I think, huge success. So try it for yourself, and you'll see. It's been a great experience for us. This is the first time we do no digging, and I mean, it is a game changer. It's so much easier than traditional gardening, and it gives you, tons of food with no fertilizers, no chemicals, no nothing. So yep, that's about it for today. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.